Guys, and hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Scientist George Omogbeme for the Scientist El-Igo channel. Remember, this is the channel where we discuss everything and anything in the medical laboratory science space as a profession. So today we are going to be looking at one of the equipment that is used in the medical laboratory science profession by the medical laboratory scientist. That is the Haematology Auto Analyzer or the full blood count auto analyzer, commonly called the full blood count machine. Alright, so guys, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe and turn on your notification button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you. So quickly, the Haematology Auto Analyzer or the FBC or full blood count machine, as commonly called because it's used to do full blood count tests, is a computerized and highly specialized machine that is used to identify and count blood cells of different types under high speed and accuracy. Alright, and of course, you know the cell type include our red blood cells, your white blood cells, the platelets, your hemoglobin level, or the hematocrit, or the PCV level, that's the packed cell volume, and of course other cell indices like the MCV, that's the main cell volume. Alright, the main cell hemoglobin, that's the MCH, and the MCHC, of course, that's the main cell hemoglobin concentration. Alright, all in a blood sample. So the principle of the auto analyzer or the traditional method for counting cells is the electrical impedance, okay, also known as the counter principle. Alright, and it is almost used in every hematology auto analyzer where whole blood is passed between two electrodes, alright, through an aperture or an opening so narrow that only one cell can pass through at a time. So using just a small sample of blood, the FBC machine can generate an extensive amount of information without the need for centrifugation and multicolor staining. What are the types of hematology auto analyzer? Basically, there are two types of hematology auto analyzer or the full blood count machine. That is the fully automated hematology auto analyzer or the semi automated hematology auto analyzer. All right, so for the fully automated, all you have to do is program the analyzer and place your sample on the rotor or sample carrier. Okay, so the analyzer takes the sample inside of the machine to where the probe is and aspirates the quantity that it needs for analysis, and of course it brings out the sample when it's done. All right, while for the semi-automated, you have to manually take your sample to the probe, all right, and click on run, so the probe will aspirate the quantity of sample that it needs for analysis. Okay, so that's basically the two type of hematology auto analyzers. All right guys, so if this video is educating, please give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment at the comment section. All right, and guys, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe and turn your notification button so you don't miss out on any of our weekly videos. All right, thank you. So again, there are also two types of hematology auto analyzer based on the differential count or based on the white blood cell differential count. That is the 3-part differential count and the 5-part differential count. All right, so quickly we'll be looking at the differences between the 3 parts and the 5-part hematology auto analyzers. So one is the difference in the classification method of the white blood cell. All right, so the 3-part auto analyzers classifies or differentiates the white blood cells into 3: the lymphocytes, the granulocytes, and of course the monocytes. All right, while the 5-part auto analyzers classify or differentiates white blood cells into 5 parts. That is the lymphocytes, the neutrophils, the monocytes, eosinophils, and of course the basophils. All right, and 2 is their testing methods. Okay, the 3-part auto analyzer testing method uses the bioelectrical impedance technique. All right, and it's combined with signal generators, recognizers, and threshold adjusters. Okay, counter systems and automatic compensators, using the counters principle to find the size and volume of the cells, while the 5-part auto analyzers utilizes both the counters principle and flow cytometry technique. Okay, the cell can be identified based on the intensity of the scattered light and the level of absorbance. And 3, the differences between end users. The 3-part auto analyzer is suitable for use in those hospitals that are below the 3 grades of hospitals, as is suitable for use in hospitals like maternity hospitals, all right, clinic and community hospitals, simply because they are cheap compared to the 5 parts. All right, while the 5-part differentials are suitable for use in those top 3 grade hospitals, that's the teaching hospitals, the FMCs as the federal medical centers, and of course the general hospitals as the state-owned hospitals. All right, because the prices of the machine and reagents are generally higher than that of 3 parts. And also worthy of note is the fact that the 5 parts can also provide an in-depth information about a blood sample. All right, for example, for specific job like allergy testing, the 5-part differential is recommended for use. However, most medical tasks can be completed using the 3-part auto analyzers. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, please ensure you subscribe and turn on your notification button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. If there is anything I have failed to mention, please ensure to comment at the comment section. All right, and thank you guys, and see you on the next one, guys. Godspeed.